scroll wheel is a mechanical lie. It mimics digital motion with physical friction, and yet it's still the gold standard. Here's why your gaming mouse is lying to you. You click. It scrolls. Simple, right? Wrong. That little rubber nub hides a tiny gear train fighting physics every single time you drag a web page. Engineers designed this in 1995, and the architecture is still holding on by a thread. Most modern mice use optical encoders. Light beams, not metal contacts. They read notches on a spinning disc, clean, until thermal expansion warps the plastic. Suddenly your one-click registers as 7. That's called double-clicking or triple-clicking, or your keyboard having a nervous breakdown. Engineers solve the warp with tighter tolerances, which instantly creates friction. Friction creates heat. Heat expands the disc. You are now stuck in a thermal feedback loop designed by committee. It's a closed circuit of bad decisions, so we tried touchpads. Swipe, pinch, 0 moving parts, revolutionary, until you realize your palm is sweating through a capacitive glass sheet. Capacitance drifts. Your browser jumps like it's caffeinated. You're not scrolling, you're conducting an exorcism. Software gestures fix the drift by adding a processing layer. Translation, 300 milliseconds of latency. You swipe, the screen waits, you swipe again. Now you're fighting your own OS. That's not innovation. That's input lag cosplay. Vertical scrolling promised infinite navigation. It's just a software trick. It breaks the physical link between hand and cursor. Precision UI work requires tactile anchors. You need to feel the pixels. Otherwise, you're just guessing where the edge is. Mechanical wheels give you micro-tactile ratchet feedback. You know exactly where you are. No guessing. No lag. Just pure mechanical translation. It's not nostalgia. It's engineering discipline. Your trackpad doesn't care about your workflow. Your gaming mouse claims 80,000 clicks per lifetime. That's just marketing speak for plastic fatigue. Under structural stress, the encoder housing cracks. The wheel wobbles. Your aim drifts. It's a ticking time bomb wrapped in RGB. We keep it because it works. It's the only input device that respects human motor control. Touchpads are for conference rooms. Trackballs are for carpal tunnel. The wheel, it's the last honest interface we have left. Argue with physics all you want.